Hello friends, welcome to another new video. So in this video I will show you how you can make DLC bootable pendrive. So let's start the video. You need to go to browser, any browser, and we need to search DLC boot ISO file. Now you have to go and desktop, just open it, and from here you can click direct download. So your download has been started. So let's wait for the download to finish. So our download has been successfully downloaded. So we need to go to downloads. From here you can see the DLC boot ISO file. So you need to right click it and you extract it. So here you have to give password 123. So it will extract successfully. It will take some time. So it has successfully extracted. Now you have to open this folder. You have to go there, and this is the file we need to boot in our pendrive. So you need to connect our pendrive. So see, our pendrive is successfully connected. Now we need to open it as run as administrator. Now here we need to click here, create USB HDD box boot. So we need to click here. So we need to select our pen drive, which pen drive we want to boot this. Now now you can give NTFS UFI or FAT32 UFI. I will give NTFS UFI. Now I have to click create boot and I have to give yes. It will take some time to boot up. So you have so it is successfully done. So if you want to test, then you need to go there, run. So this is the options we got. So from here we can use whatever we need. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.